Alluaudia, dumosa, update. Something is happening. Let's see what. Okay. It's right there. That's what's happening. And it's happening on the same branch that I updated you guys on last time. So this branch was new growth. Started out little teeny tiny. And several months later, it's putting out that. It doesn't even want to focus on it. It's like so insignificant. But it's very significant for this plant because, I mean, that's about what you got. That's a good stick plant. I enjoy watching it very, very slowly grow. Once it starts doing something, though, it happens pretty fast. So it's just about waiting for it to actually start putting out some new growth. And I've noted that the last time it was putting out new growth, it was like super hot. It was really, 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 really hot. And this started yesterday. It was like so hot. We had a feels like temperature of 115 degrees in Houston. And then I look over here and this is already like, it's gone from being just some little leaves to like actually putting like a little tiny, like a segment, like a little branch. So hey, at least it's something, right? Something likes the heat. And it's the good stick plant. Exciting stuff. Right, guys? Right, guys? Right, guys? Yeah. Annie's not impressed.